Congratulations for applying for free Shopify store development. This is Shubham from Boost Star Experts, and in this video, I will be guiding you how you can import your products on Shopify. So, this is the dashboard of our Shopify partners of Boost Star Experts. So, from your side, you have to just log into your Shopify account, then go to the products. Now, if you want to add the products, there are two ways. Either you can add the products one by one. For example, here you need to add the title, description of the product, then upload the images, set up the price, and click on save. Another option is if you have a lot of products, like up to 60 to 70 products, then you can also upload in the form of bulk. So you need to click on import. Then, in order to check the format, you can click on download sample CSV. You will get the sheet. So here some of the examples are there. So you can just remove this and you can add your products. You can just save it, and after that you can import the saved file here, so all the products will be automatically updated.